Hi, this is Dr. Jeff Golden with St. Leo University. I've created this lecture because of an ongoing demand by criminal justice students for a tutorial on how to find authoritative research, which means using primarily government publications and peer-reviewed journal articles. A list of federal government websites on which you can search for authoritative articles will be posted at the end of this video. Over time, the links may change, but you can search for the agency name on the web. St. Leo University's criminal justice program requires you to be able to perform online academic research that is acceptable at the university level, and that means you must learn to do something more than type in a query in the Google search box. You must be able to find and reference authoritative sources. What are authoritative sources? In the field of criminal justice, two of the primary sources for information that are almost always authoritative are government publications and peer-reviewed journal articles. Both are published only after exhaustive review by experts in the field. Your use of either of these types of sources will demonstrate that you understand the value of using only the most reliable and accurate information. Government publications are almost always authoritative sources, so finding a document on any government website will likely suffice. There's also an easy way to find peer-reviewed journal articles, the other authoritative source. It's called our online library. I'll walk you through an example of searching for a peer-reviewed journal article. First, from our St. Leo University main portal page, you can click on the word library found on the right side of the screen under online services. If you look at your screen, you'll see the cursor on the library link. You can also find this link on your course homepage under the resources tab. So let's click on the library link, and it takes us to our quick search page with a search bar. You need to ask yourself, what are the keywords that will help me with my research? To explain the research process, I'm going to search for peer-reviewed journal articles on juvenile superpredator. So we'll type into the search box the keywords juvenile superpredator and click go. In the upper left-hand corner, you'll see the number of St. Leo University online library results that we found. Here it's 58. However, you don't have to review all of those results because you can refine your search. Let's look down and place check marks into the full text and the peer-reviewed boxes on the left side of the screen. This will narrow the search to provide you with only sources that have full text articles, not just abstracts. And if you see up top, you'll notice there's only 27 results now. But wait, you don't have to read all the articles. Read the titles of each of the 27 articles to see if they refer to juvenile superpredators. If the title uses the search terms, it's a good bet the entire article examines the subject. Don't just look at the first 3 or 4 titles. Look at the first 3 or 4 pages of article titles. It'll only take a few minutes. Here we see article number 1 deals with juvenile superpredators. Number 2 does it as well. And if we scroll down, you don't see many more with the title superpredator. And I've actually gone through these 3 pages. And on the second page, there's nothing either that says superpredator in the title. But on page 3, number 23 does indeed have the word juvenile superpredator. When you find an article that you want to look at, click the View Online box. When that comes onto your screen, in this case, it's the abstract page of the article as found on the publisher's website. This is a peer-reviewed journal article, but the abstract is just a summary of the article, and you need to read the article and cite to the entire article. Citing to an abstract is not acceptable. So you need to look for the full text PDF icon and click on it. It's usually just to the right. There's full text PDF. We click on that, and you now have the complete article in front of you. Let's enlarge it a bit. Now you can always read the abstract at the beginning of the article. It's a summary of the article, and it should tell you if the article contains relevant information that you can use to answer the questions that you have in front of you. The article itself contains all the information you need to create an APA citation using the APA manual or some other resource that helps you create perfect APA citations. Here's one last hint. If the article's useful, scroll to the end of it and look over the list of references that are cited in the article. There's a very good chance you'll find citations to other articles that are just as helpful, and you can look those up as well. So looking at our screen, if we scroll all the way down to the end of the article, we will find the references section. And you'll find even more, almost always, authoritative articles that have to do with this same subject. Finally, remember I promised to share with you a list of excellent government websites on which you can find authoritative research? Here they are on your screen, and you can look up their links on any major search engine. Best of luck to you in doing online research, and remember, authoritative research is the best research.